Hey guys, so I'm sort of excited about this video. This one's a different video than I typically post. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a manicure. So these are the tools I'm going to use. I'm using a cuticle pusher, nippers, and two cuticle bits. This is a drill that I'm using. I'm doing this on the couch, so that's why it looks like my setup is kind of weird like this, because this was a football Sunday day, so it's going to be kind of hard to get my boyfriend from out front of the TV to do this. So I just made it super easy and just let him stay where he was. So first thing I do is push cuticles back. If you guys want like a more in-depth tutorial of how to prep your nails, I just uploaded a video a few days ago on how to prep. That's him watching football. As you guys can see, I literally can't. So push cuticles back and then use that pointed drill bit and erase all that dead skin. That's the aftermath. That's what it looks like. And then I went ahead and cut his cuticles. I didn't film that part because I didn't really clip too much. He's super sensitive about that. So yeah. I then took a break because I wanted to make a drink. So in this video, I'm making a Moscow Mule. So this is like a 2-for-1. If you guys want to see how I make the Moscow Mule, then just keep on watching. I start off by squeezing one line, cut it in half, and just squeeze the two pieces. And then I do about 2, maybe 3 shots, maybe more sometimes. And then add ice to that. And then you're going to take some ginger beer and make sure it doesn't pop you in the face, and then just go ahead and add a little bit and then mix it, and then that is pretty much the drink. It's super simple and super fast. It's like the fastest drink that I make in this house. So yeah, back to the nails. They're gonna buff the natural shine away using this nail bit, and then these two, though that step is optional. You don't have to use a primer or dehydrator, but you can if you want. And then I'm using a non-wipe gel top coat. Apply that to all of the nails, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Super simple. And then that's the finished look after the gel goes on there. And I know you guys see the ashiness, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a hand scrub. I'm using Fenty Skin. I love Fenty Skin for a hand scrub. It's a really good scrub overall, but I'm going to go ahead and massage that in and give him a really nice scrub. And then I filled a bowl up with water so that he wouldn't have to get up and wash his hands. But yeah, super easy. And then I'm going to just go in with this body butter and massage his hands. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I can't wait for you guys to see the end. The before and after to me is just crazy. Like, I know his nails need to grow a little bit more, but they just look super clean and super manicured. So let me know if you try this out on your boyfriend, your husband, whoever. Like I said in my prep video, you can do this on anybody. You can even do this on yourself. So let me know what you guys think. And as usual, thank you so much for watching.